Hi everyone, this is Z from Alchemy for the Skin. Happy Halloween, and today I'm going to be opening my Wizarding Truck box. And this is, let me see here, let's stab it. At least I got here debt-free this time. Alright, this is what the inside looks like. Squigglies, a big box. I'm going to put this over to the side. Alright. So sticking out are the reeds to the item I made for the box. So we're going to go ahead and open that. So I noticed online a lot of you were putting the numbers that you got on your bottles, and these were all random. There were like, I don't know, around 300 of each number I put into the put on the bottles. There's a 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. I don't think there are a whole lot of 9s, so if you got a 9, let us know. Anyway, mine is number 5, adventurous. Disposed to seek adventure, either physical or mystical. Well, that's kind of like me, so I want to know if your bottle matches your personality. This is kind of like a random thing, so the bottle you get in your box hopefully lets you into your inner self. And this is a reed diffuser, and it's just natural lemon and natural vanilla. It just smells to me like someone's making a lemon cake or something. It smells really good. I like lemon. Lemon's good for your soul. Lemon's a good cleansing energy oil, negative energy oil, but it's good for you. So we're going to open that up. Put my reeds in and wait for the aroma. All right, so next I'm going to open the box. I'm going to have some announcements, alchemy announcements, after this video as well, so stay tuned. Now, this is a flesh-eating slug repellent jar, and I tried to get these jars. These freaking jars are expensive and amazing. I love them. And this one's gorgeous. I think it's cool, and I'll keep it forever. Don't need this box no more because I ain't packing it away. Okay, so I have a big green bag. And this is tree lice. Ew, tree lice. Tree lice rice. That's pretty cool. Tree lice look a lot like grains of brown rice and generally are found in a tree with something that would be exceptional for something. I don't know. Anyway, there's this tree on top, lice in the bottle. There you go, tree lice. I wonder what tree has tree lice. Alright, let's see what else we got here. I didn't actually watch all the unboxings, so I'm not really sure exactly everything that's in this box. This is a pin. I think it's a Dementor. I don't know. I gotta find the sheet. Let's see. Oh, it's a sliding pin to reveal creatures of the forest. Oh, yeah. There we go. Creatures of the forest. Right there. And then when it closes, it closes like this. And then that's what you see in the front. Which looked like a Dementor to me. But here you go. It's a sliding pin. Oh my goodness. Look at all these wigglies. Alright. Oh, these are cute. These are little prints. I like these little ones. These are cool. Alright, so here we have 2 prints. Looks like they're by my witchy buddy and cohort. Twillings and Tattings. Twilling and Tattings. And here they are. 2 prints. And I'm probably just going to hang them up right here next to my desk. Gonna look at the oh, sorry. I got up really early today. I don't even know why. Where is those prints? I don't know where it is. I don't know what this is, but this is pretty freaking amazing. Wow. This is a notebook. It's like leather bound. Has gold edges. And inside are blank cream colored pages. So this is a notebook for otherworldly creatures. You can use this notebook to make notes on any and all of the otherworldly creatures you may be studying. I love that. How could you not like that? I love notebooks anyway. I have a million of them. Can never have enough notebooks. Especially when you're in a business like I am. Okay, so this is a numerology open card. Arithmancy, the magic of numbers. So it's a study guide and information sheet. Let's see what else we got in here. And I don't know who's dinging me. In this little pouch, we got a die. It's a metal die, or brass maybe. That's what. So it's a die. So what are we supposed to do? Let's give it a whirl. Let's see what number I get. Oh, I'm a 0. I'm a big old 0. What does that mean? Of course, we knew that all along, so nothing new. For instance, 0 equals 7. I don't know. Math was not my strong point, but anyway, that's that. In this bag is a coin. Oh, infograms. Yes, there they are. I just read it, and it is created by Twilling and Tattings. We have a coin. Oh, it's a leprechaun coin, I think. Leprechaun gold. That is really shiny. Let's see what this side is. There he is. A leprechaun. There's some cool stuff in here. Ooh, I like this. This is, it's a paperweight. It's a flat paperweight. How ingenious. And it's gorgeous. I'm probably going to hang it up though. I don't know if I want to use it as a paperweight. I think I'll put it on the wall. Oh, it would look nice on my notebook too. Could glue it on my notebook. That's pretty cool. Let's see. There. How about that? Alright. I know it's in that tube. And there's another rolled up thing. And this is my favorite little guy. It's a Niffler. So, Niffler. Oh my god, sorry. Ugh. Magical Platypus wooden print. This wooden print was made for us by JP Missile Crew. Sorry. I changed his name. So there you have it. The little thief that likes pretty shiny things. Alright, what else is in here? Oh, this is the book cover, which I thought is going to be in the tube. Here you have it. Magical Creatures. Gorgeous, of course. Magical Creatures. A to Z. Awesome. I get to keep this one because I think my friend Stephanie got her own box this time. Alright, what's in here? Oh, I guess I took it out of here. Didn't even realize it. Ta-da! Alright. Alright, so that's the box. Awesome. Awesome box. I loved it. I love the notebook. My favorite thing? It's got to be this. I don't know. It's the notebook or the slug. Flesh-eating slug repellent bottle. Because I love these Mr. bottles. I'm being attacked. I love the notebook too. And I like this horse. Alright. So that's Otherworldly Creatures book cover, Tree Lice, Leprechaun Gold, Fresh Eating Slug Repellent, Notebook for Otherworldly Creatures, Magical Platypus wooden print, Antique 9-sided dice, Negative Energy Reed diffuser, which I can smell already, and Arithmancy study guide and information sheet, skeletal horse paperwork, and today's lesson pin. Alright, so I'll be back in a minute to go over our, we have a contest going on for Alchemy for the Skin. I'm going to come back with an announcement for that in a bit. Have a good day. Happy Halloween.